Welcome to A Beauty Collections. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to thread a sewing machine. I'll be using a Singer brand, which is Tradition. So sit back and relax and enjoy this video. If you're just watching my video for the first time, kindly press the subscribe button and please like this video. Give a thumbs up if you've actually enjoyed and you found this video useful. Thank you. Firstly, I turned on the machine and then removed the thread from the spool holder, and I removed also the bobbin case and the bobbin itself. After I removed the box of tools, and then I placed the bobbin in the spool holder and keyed it to the side. You can just pull it to the side and it keys, so it's easy to roll the thread around the bobbin before I had more thread to it. So I had added more thread by just pressing the pedal, and because I'm not using it right now, I don't need a lot of thread, and then I just wanted to show you how to add thread to the bobbin. And then I placed it back in the bobbin case and brought out the thread through the tiny side and came out from the hole. You can actually see how I brought that out from the side and it came out from the hole. Then I fixed it back. I closed it back before I added back the box of tools. And now I'm about to thread the machine itself. So first of all, I added back the thread to the spool holder, and then I passed the thread right by the thread guide and down into the take-up lever, and I brought it down to fix it back into the needle just by lifting up the balance wheel, and I tried to fix in the thread into the needle. The hole is quite small, so it's a bit challenging trying to fix the thread into the hole, but yeah, I got a hold of it. And now I want to bring down the thread from the bobbin out to meet up with the thread from the needle, just the way it is in this illustration. So all I did was to turn the balance wheel, turn it like 1 or 2 times, and then the thread from the bobbin comes up. And now you've threaded your machine. This is just an easy way to do this. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for more exciting, educative and interesting episodes. Bye.